Hello again everyone, and welcome back to this series on iconic structures of the world. What I want to do today is a Mongolian yurt. Now the yurt is a tent, and it's shaped a bit like a cross between an old-fashioned haystack and a layer cake. You've got this kind of haystacky type top here, and as it comes down the side you get the cake shape. And I said layer cake because there are lines coming across here which are caused by there's the joint of the roof and the sides, but down here you have ropes going right round, usually 3 ropes pulling in like this, which gives the kind of tiered look to it, there's kind of a tiered cake look to it. Like that, coming in there. Okay, see that? Won't bring it right round because in the centre there's a door, and a wooden door, and it takes up usually about this space here. Like that. And there are panels on the other side as well. And flanking the panels there are a couple of poles that the ropes are tied to. So these poles come up like that. You usually have a kind of knob on the end, like that. And this material, the ropes are tied to that material, comes underneath, and you'll see a bit of it coming out, maybe appearing over the top of the door like that. There are panels on the doors as well, panels, narrow panel at the top and the bottom, and 3 panels in the middle. There's a broader one there, flanked by 2 narrow ones there. I'm putting this in very roughly and quickly just now. Also on the panels at the side you have these shapes here. Okay, you see the kind of decorative look of the thing beginning to build up. And they like to decorate the surfaces too. The surface is usually felted wool or animal skins, and there'd be a pattern coming up the side here, and also this side, and also the same kind of pattern running along the bottom part of the roof here. And above that you get a kind of triangular shape which is split with 3 lines like that. 1, 2, 3. Diamond shape. And along the top there's also a double line here with continuing a running pattern on it. You get double lines there like that. And then another very typical design is this shape here. Almost like kind of wing shapes coming out. Like that. Okay. I think what I'll do is make that a bit wider, because it's not really wide enough, that shape. Take the point to there, bring that out, and bring that away out to there. It's better. Goes out to there. Yeah, that's better. Right, okay, I'm now going to get the pen and we'll ink in. Okay, right, the top, usually open, but in this case I'm going to draw what is quite common on the yurts is a kind of cover which comes over like that. Okay, and it's tied. It will slope down the roof like that and come down and be tied to one of the other bands of ropes that come round here like that. Okay, so we'll carry on with that. Bring the edge of the roof down and bring it in to the ropes. Pull it nice and tight. To there. And the base. Like that. Okay. Now you won't get a hard edge coming along here, where the roof turns around into the side here, because it's material, it's as I said, it's either felted wool or animal skin, so we get a kind of little crinkle like that. I suggest you do that with a smaller pen. So let's see, use this one here. All these little kind of wrinkles. And you'll also get them down here. I'll actually go back to my broader pen and put the ropes in. Coming in there, the rope lines. And that. And of course, as well as the top as it comes over, you'll also get these lines appearing here as the rope pull the material in. So you get that kind of wrinkled look. Some kind of lines like that. Get that right along here and here as well, of course. So I'll continue to do that and I'll catch up with you when I've finished. Okay, I've drawn all those creases and crinkles in now. I'm going to move on to drawing the posts now. With the knobs on the top. And coming out like that. And bring them straight down. Like that. And these ropes are tied to these posts, so you get these lines here like that. Okay, and as I said, you'll see a bit of the material coming over and from behind down there. And the door shape comes in here. And these panels, which I'll draw with a finer pen, okay? Right, I'll carry on drawing these panels and catch you when I've finished. Right, I've finished off the panels, and also I put a little decoration inside each one, and this was to show you. And basically what you do is draw a little line there and a couple of scoops, and then follow the line down and put the scoops in again. Alright, that's the decoration of the door panels. Now the other decoration consists of lines, which I'll put in, I think, with a heavier pen here. A couple of lines like this run right around the yurt. Like that. And as I said, there's another couple up here. And inside those lines you have the same kind of continuing design. A bit like a Greek key pattern, only it's kind of flatter and more regular. So what you do, I'll do the finer pen again. You get a long shape like that, and then underneath you get it coming like a T shape, and then it repeats itself like that right along. Okay, I'm going to do that between each of these lines and also up here. Okay, actually when I'm finished. Okay, I've done that pattern on these stripes down the side and also there. And I'll finish off the pattern now by drawing this big shape up here. Like that, and that is usually doubled up. There's another line coming in there. Not quite decorative. like that. And you might see the edge of one coming in over the other side here, because our water's about every corner. You see that bit coming in there, and one bit coming in here. And finish off with this diamond shaped pattern. And what you do is, after you've sketched it in, you just draw these lines in again, but not the outside lines. The reason for that is they leave gaps that become diamonds. So if you enclose that one, leave the gap there, do that one, and then that one, that one, that one, and that one. Okay, that gives you that open shape. And what you can do, of course, with your pen also is put a wee bit of shading underneath here, get the sense of the material covering the top, and also a bit of shading over there. Okay, a bit of shading and shadowing coming in here. Alright, you can also double these lines up if you want to, make the ropes that bit more substantial. Okay. Excellent, and they're quite colourful too, these designs. If you have a look online, you'll find the colours if you want to, or you can make up your own colours, of course. It's a nicely designed shape. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you can join me again when I'll be drawing another iconic structure for you. But in the meantime, of course, all the best and happy drawing.